Hi everyone, this is Mitchell Ram with the Rakesh Ram Group here at Coldwell Banker West Shell. I am sitting on the stoop of our newest listing at 2817 Highland Avenue in Corryville. This one is a must see. Completely renovated, close to UC, the hospitals, all Clifton has to offer, but most importantly, it has a huge tax abatement, which means savings for you. So we are gonna start out here in our massive living room. As you can see, we have exposed brick, all new trim throughout, brand new hardwood floors, and 11-foot ceilings. This gives us a great big open feel. I'm gonna take you over to the kitchen now next. It is completely updated with today's look, color, and feel. We have granite, white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. What's nice is we have a walkout to a small entertainment space in the backyard. The bedrooms on this are humongous. Once again, we have exposed brick throughout these bedrooms. We do have exposed ductwork, which is a nice feel for that urban living. Well, thanks for checking out our newest listing here at 2817 Highland Avenue. Please keep in mind the major savings with the tax abatement. To schedule a showing or for more information, please contact me at 513-703-7774.